Paragraph 4. I hope you are getting. When Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was 38 years of age, he spent most of his time in solitude and meditation. In the cave of Hira, he used to retire with food and water and spend days and weeks in remembrance of Allah Almighty. So the fourth paragraph noted down the difficult vocabulary words solitude and meditation. Solitude means when you keep yourself away from worldly affairs and live in loneliness. And meditation means muraqabah, when you engross yourself in the worship of Allah Almighty. But that is done in solitude, in loneliness. यानी कि अल्लाह ताला की इबादत तन्हाई में करें, जिसको मेडिटेशन या मराकबा कहा जाता है. In the cave of Hira, and where he used to do meditation in solitude, it is in the cave of Hira. And he used to retire with food and water and spend days and weeks in remembrance of Allah Almighty. So he had his food and water with him, and he used to spend many days and nights in the cave of Hira in remembrance of Allah Almighty. So what he used to do in solitude, in seclusion, meditation and remembrance of Allah Almighty. He used to have his food and water and spend all the time in remembrance of Allah Almighty.